Here we have a 14 by 18 square baler produced by an 1837 Massey Ferguson inline baler. As you can see, the bale is perfectly in line. Absolutely no banana to it whatsoever. Just going to go through that accumulator well and not clog your accumulator. And if you also notice, I flipped this bale over and you see the cut side there. Now, the cut side on an inline square is always on the bottom. So, and if you also notice, you can count my flakes all the way through the bale. Perfect flakes. That preforming chamber produces that same size flake every single time. Another nice feature to the inline. Also, these bales will stack like bricks, and they will not fall over in your barn like a lot of your banana bales will, or when you go to pick it up with your twine won't fall off on one side. Another unique feature to the inline baler. So here you have a 14 by 18 inline square produced by Massey Ferguson. Thank you. Notice the ease of roading transport with the inline design balers. It's following directly behind the tractor. It's not offset. Another nice feature of the Massey Ferguson inline square baler.